All right, last video of the night. It is January 31st, Sunday. I've done 20 videos. I'm losing my mind. I don't know how I did 20 videos. I took like maybe 2 breaks, got some coffee. Snowstorm. I'm in Philadelphia, so it's not like there's anything to do today. Yeah, I took a break off from working out. Always take a break off from working out. Another thing, I've been training 20 years. I was a personal trainer for many years. And yeah, you always want to move your body. I would say 5 days a week, 5 to 6 days, 30 minutes. So, but you need a break now and then because the body does need a break from a routine. You need to do different things, and sometimes you just don't need to work out to rest your muscles. All right, so the last video we're gonna go over the SPY, Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones. So move my head here, right here. So you can see here on the SPY, this is the daily chart going back to where am I at here? September. Let me go back a little further here. Let me change the 6 months. Let's go back 10 months. I want to go back to that low, the March low. Here we go. So this has all my indicators right now. You can see CCI is it's momentum indicator. Same as like stochastics, MACD, money flow. It's a money flow is like RSI, but I think RSI is relative strength is what it's called. But money flow is I think it's volume weighted price. So calculates that. You have to look it up exactly what it means. I forget. I'm exhausted. But anyway, let me go back. Actually, let me go back to 1 year. Here we go. So this is the 1 year in the SPY. You can see that crash 332 all the way down to 215. Look at this heavy, heavy volume. When you see this bottom here, RSI that is oversold, 30s oversold, over 70s overbought, 20 is oversold, money flow. You don't really get that low money flow. That was a great buy. When you see that, anytime you see money flow that low, for the most part, it's a great buy. You have to look at the chart and everything, but then you saw MACD, stochastics, you could CCI, and then you saw the V recovery here. It was a little bit staggered, not straight up. You had your little hiccups here, went to 319. Look at that support. Look at the 50-day. Look at that candle. Exactly. Come on. That's a perfect like algo hitting it right there. Then we went up from look at this July to September. That's a beautiful little bull run, mini bull run. Pull back, another move up, pull back, almost like a double bottom. Then you broke over one, two. That was a you could call it ascending breakout, ascending triangle breakout. And we broke up all the way to 385, where we are now. This was a big, heavy overbought area, and this is where we're at now. Uh, you can see RSI going down here. We're at 43. It's pretty low. We're going to bounce right from here? I don't think so. I think we're going lower. We're right on this. See this blue line? The blue line, let me see. Little orange line is the 5-day. 9-day is green. 13 is the pink. 20 is your white. And 50 days blue. 100 days your called yellow. And 200-day moving average is your red. So we're right at this 50-day. Which is 370. You're right on the nose here. Now, I think we're going past that. I think we're going to 354. We've done it in the past. Look at this 318, 321, 354. We've gone a little bit below. Do we get to 332? To be determined. If we get a 354, we'll have to see how the market is and everything at that point. So you see this coming down, RSI. Look at money flow. It's really deep, 35. You've touched that in September. We've touched it in November, and there were great buys. You can see oversold here too. That was on right here, September, and right here in November. You can see the oversold levels. CCI. CCI is already negative. Look at this straight move on stochastics. This is straight down. You've had a straight down move. That was 2 in September. And of course, March. So you have MACD starting to cross down a little bit. Bigger volume on the red bars. And you can see here, you can draw a line too here. Right here, you draw this up and it broken a wedge, a rising wedge. And now it's a matter of how far are we going. We could bounce tomorrow. We could get a bounce, maybe a little, we could go negative red, then we turn green and this pops. I think we'll get a bounce. I think it's going to be a dead cat bounce though. So, I mean, it might not even be Monday. It could be Tuesday, but it could be Monday. But I think we're going right to 354. It's the logical area. Algos, everyone knows this line before on a good pullback. It's just a matter if you're getting a strong pullback. Is there anything else in the market happening? Is there anything else, going to happen here with these brokerages? Maybe they can't cover the money. There's all kinds of rumors and stuff. How far is this going to roll over, spill over? This Wall Street bets, this Reddit community, hedge funds going down. There's a lot of issues right now. I don't think it's too severe, but pullback's in order anyway. You went from 215 to here, little pullback, here, pullback, here, pullback. We need a really good pullback. Really, 332 would be perfect. When are we going to get this? It would be great if we get it here. We're at the top, so it would be logical. But, you can't say for sure. All right, so that's where we're looking here. This is the daily deal. Let's go to the NASDAQ. All right, this is the NASDAQ. Let's see where we're at on this. You see the drop here from March. Big cross here reversed. This one all the way up. Stair step to 12,000. This was a huge run September because of work from home. They were in play, all these work from home plays. It was a tremendous long bounce here on these lows back and forth. And here we are now, 13,728 to 13,000. And this is broke to 20 EMA. And then you have 12,720 is your 50-day right here. And I think this might go to that too. So you get crossing down on RSI. Once you get below, there's 50 level, 50 up, 50 down. We're below it slightly. CCI is at 13. You see stochastic straight down. So this ain't going to just bounce in one day. I say 12,720 we get to. I don't know if we get to 12,000. That'd be a really good drop. That's possible still because it did that too in September, November. So you can see that here. See the big mountaintop moves. See the oversold levels. And money flow almost got to below 20. So this is the NASDAQ. Big run up. And it's a big run from 66 to 13. What's that, a double? Times 2, 12. Pretty much. The best thing to get this pullback to here. Oh my God, that'd be the best buy ever. 11,000. I don't think we're getting that far. I don't think so. I think we'll get to here and then we'll come up again. I guess. No one knows for sure, but all right, that's on the NASDAQ. All right, Dow Jones. Let's take a look at this. So you can see the move here from March all the way to 18,000. Very oversold. Oversold here. Look at this run up. All the way to 27,000. Look how this 50-day came down. Look at that. Look at this candle. Perfectly was underneath here. Now, very smart traders know that. They know the 50-day support right here. All right, so you see this. You see this, the move from here. That's a ascending triangle breakout to 29,000. And then we came down, broke over 29,000. See this? 1, 2, 1, 2, another move, and we broke up. So we went from 26,000 to 31,000. It's a 5,000, 5K move. And where we're at now, that's heavy volume down here. Look at these red bars. A lot of heavy red bars. CCI is already oversold. We're 18 in stochastics. We've been there before. It's just where we're going out. You could get a dead cat bounce. But in this too, look where we're at. We're past the 50-day. 50-day is at 33.18. We're at 29.982. So we could get to this 100-day 29,156. That would be a nice move here. We've done it before, but this was closer to the 200-day too. This hit the 200-day. We could get a 27,579 on this. It's possible. We're getting oversold, not extreme yet. Money flow's still up there. It's not really crashing down. MACD's sort of like flattening. See this? It flattened. It's sort of curving. So, we're past here. I think we're going to 29,156. There's no doubt here. And then we'll see if we reach there. It's possible. We've touched it on September and November. And then will we reach it here? From here to here, what's that? 4,000 drop. 4,000. So 29K, 26K to 31K. See that? So, from here to here, we want 18 to 31. We went up 13,000. We've had a few little dips on the way. Look at this. Here, here. From here to here, see there's a 3,000, another 3,000. If we go 3,000 from here, it'd be 28. Right in this level. So we will see what happens. This is more. Let me see futures right now. See where futures are at. Futures on positive. So is that a dead cat? We went from like minus 166 to plus 60 right now. Yeah, it doesn't mean nothing. This is the thing too. I think this morning will bounce. We could go up even a few hundred maybe, and then I think we might roll off later. I think this is a dead cat. And I'm pretty sure the reason is we're straight down here. See stochastics? We need to cross over. I mean, this could be the day we start to cross again. It's possible. See this? When this does this, this green has to go over the red. You need a candle, reversal candle. This doesn't look like much of a pullback, though. There's got to be more than this. See, that's a pretty sharp move here. We'll see tomorrow. I don't think we're going to hold that. But I could be wrong. We'll see. And if we do, see 29. Let's look closer in this one. Let's go to, see if 6 months is close enough. Yeah, this is pretty good. Look at the 6 month. See this rolling down? If we break up from here, we got to get to 3683 to get past the EMAs. So we could bounce to there. It doesn't mean it's still going to be a long from there. So you can see a closer view here. This move, it's a big long move, November, December, January. Yeah, we need a good flush down to here. It's going that way. It's just a matter of what's going to happen. I think we go up. Let's say tomorrow we go up even. See this even? We'll go up a green bar. And then we come back again the next day. All right. All right, that's it. I'm exhausted. 20 videos. What a day. Tomorrow I get a shovel. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Trade ideas, referral link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrankII. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Feel free to leave a comment. Stock, symbols, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Have a good night. And we're out for now. Peace.